Hi, and welcome to Focus. I'm your host, Cheryl Ayers, and today we're going to visit with Dr. Rosana Pellizzari, the new Medical Officer of Health for the Peterborough County and City Health Unit. Welcome, and welcome to Peterborough.
Thank you very much.
It's nice to have you here.
It's great to be here.
Well, can you tell us a little bit about your background? I don't think anybody, although if they've read about you in the newspaper, they may know a little bit about you, but you're new to the area, so.
Yes, I am. I was a family physician for about 15 years and very active in public health as a sort of a volunteer. I was on the Board of Health in my local city and became chair of the Board of Health, and then when Toronto amalgamated, became a member of the Board of Health in Toronto while I was working as a family physician. So I've always been interested in public health, and then when I had an empty nest at home, I decided to return to school, and I acquired my specialty in community medicine, and then became a medical officer of health. So I've worked in Stratford and in Toronto. Peterborough is my third posting, and I'm very happy to be here.
Well, you've got quite a varied background, but you've also done some very interesting things. Well, not that your job isn't interesting, but you've done some different things that you wouldn't normally expect of a family physician or a director of health. You wrote a column in the Toronto Star.
Yes, well, in fact, medicine was a second career for me. I did adult literacy work in India and started a Montessori school for children with disabilities in India. Came back and was a community organizer in First Nation communities when I felt I needed more. I wanted to be able to work in the area of health as an ally, but I didn't have the training or the credibility, so I went back to medicine. So I've always, had a varied career. I've done a lot. I did do a column for Toronto Star. I did that for several years. It was a health column that I did every 2 weeks. And I enjoy writing. I enjoy writing for the public and making things understandable. I just love seeing those little light bulbs going off over people's heads when they get it, they understand it. So I think education has always been a big part of what I enjoy doing.
Definitely.